Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To the Honorable Mr. Karunidianta and also Mr. Ketut Sudiharidita as my supervisor. Let me introduce myself. My name is Faiza Eka Fardani from the Economic Education Study Program. On this occasion, I will present my thesis proposal entitled The Influence of Financial Literacy, Perceived Useful, and Perceived Easy of Use on interest in using CRIS among MSMEs in Sarinah. Starting from the background of the problem, electronic money transaction in Indonesia continue to show an increase from year to year. This shows that there is quite a large interest in society to use electronic money. Technological advance that continue to develop in payment system have brought major change to the business world, especially in the MSME sector. As many as 26 million MSMEs have adopted CRIS as a means of payment, but there are still 38 million MSMEs who have not used it. This show that the interest of MSMEs players in adopting CRIS as a means of payment is still lacking. Therefore, a program is needed that can support MSMEs to utilize digital financial technology. Bank Indonesia, representing Provinsi DKI Jakarta, together with the Ministry of Trade, create the Siap CRIS program, namely Sehat, Inovatif, Aman, Pakai CRIS. This program has been implemented in 3 shopping centers, including the Sarinah in the central Jakarta. PT Sarinah itself is also collaborating with Cashless to implement non-cash payment at the Sarinah Mall. However, not all MSMEs in Sarinah use CRIS as a non-cash payment tool. Of this phenomenon, the objective of this research are as follows. First, knowing and analyzing the influence of financial literacy on interest in using CRIS among MSMEs in Sarinah. Second, knowing and analyzing the influence of perceived useful on interest in using CRIS among MSMEs in Sarinah. Third, knowing and analyzing the influence of perceived easy of use on interest in using CRIS among MSMEs in Sarinah. Fourth, knowing and analyzing the influence of financial literacy, perceived useful, and easy of use and interest in using CRIS among MSMEs in Sarinah. And next, literature review. First, interested in using. According to Snellersari and Rafdinau, Jugianto, and Davis, interest in using is a person, a desire and behavior to continue using a particular technology. Second, financial literacy. According to OJK, Murphy, Krishna et al., and Tony Desai, financial literacy is the knowledge, skill, and confidence that a person has in managing the finance in order to achieve property and knowing financial product and service. Third, perceived useful. According to Davis, Jugianto, and Wibowo, perceived useful is the extent to which an individual believes that the use of technology will provide benefit in doing work and improve their performance. Last, preserve easy of use. According to Davis, Jugianto, and Ermawati and Nursari, preserve easy of use is the extent to which an individual believes that using a particular technology will provide confidence and be free from effort. The next is relevant research. There are two most relevant research. The first one is how does CRIS attract the interest of MSMEs, a model to understand MSMEs' intention to use CRIS, by Putuh Mayuni and Iwayan Artastiawan in 2021. The second one is the influence of financial literacy, perceived useful, and easy of use on interest in using the Quick Response Code Indonesian Standard or CRIS in financial transaction by Laila Anggraini, Nurdiana, and Dewi Diah in 2023. Next, theoretical framework and hypothesis development. Hypothesis 1 is financial literacy has a positive effect on MSMEs players' interest in using CRIS. Hypothesis 2, perceived useful has a positive effect on MSMEs players' interest in using CRIS. Hypothesis 3, perceived easy of use has a positive effect on MSMEs players' interest in using CRIS. And the last, hypothesis 4, financial literacy, perceived useful, and easy of use simultaneously have a positive effect on MSMEs players' interest in using CRIS. The last is research method. This type of research is quantitative with a survey method, and the data used is primary data. The population in this study was 500 MSMEs in Sarinah, while the sample required is 83 MSMEs that use CRIS. The sampling technique used in this research was progressive sampling. The analysis technique used is multiple linear regression with the help of SPSS version 22. That's all for the presentation of my thesis proposal, and thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.